Want to show Mom again? Almost. Did you get it? Yeah!
Wow!
Oh.
Ow. Wow! So you can be a latchkey kid now.
Yeah.
You can get it.
You getting tired? Wow! How'd you get that one key in there?
Out.
You can't get it out though. Wow! To be a latchkey kid, you have to be able to take the key out too. So we'll wait another couple weeks, months.
Almost.
Mush.
Almost. That's what she kept saying. She kept saying almost.
Oh my goodness! Wow! You gonna take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta work on that the next couple of weeks so we can. Yay! Let you come home from school by yourself.
Yeah.
Or your job. Little monkey.
Almost.
Mush.
Did you get it?
Yay! That one you can get out because it was just hanging out. Almost.
Mush.
Almost. Crazy.
Mush. Mush.
It's getting too hard. You gotta grow another couple centimeters.
Nah, we got it. Yeah!
Wow! Okay.
Out.
Take it out. There you go. Good job.